Hey everyone, my name is Nani and here I am doing an underarm wax using Sexy Smooth Wax. This is the first wax strip I placed down. To me, that one always hurts the most. Today I wanted to talk about what to do for your first wax appointment. Now, for your first wax appointment, what do you do? Step number 1. You should let your hair grow out between 3 to 4 weeks is the best. Why should you let your hair grow out, you might ask? When you shave, your hair is on different growth cycles. Some hairs might be fully grown out already, but the others are just beginning to grow. So when you let your hair grow out between 3 to 4 weeks, most of the hairs should be grown out all the way, making it easier for most of your hairs to come out instead of some. Number 2, you should be exfoliating twice a week. Exfoliating helps remove any dead skin cells, any dirt, any bacteria. When you don't exfoliate, you're just leaving that on your skin and it makes it harder for the hairs to grow out, hence ingrown hair occurs. So please make sure to exfoliate. Number 3, wear loose clothing. Wearing tight clothing can cause ingrowns and pimples, so please wear loose clothing the day of your appointment. Don't drink coffee or alcohol at least 24 hours in advance. Both of those things are blood thinners and it will hurt more the day of your wax appointment. I am running out of time, but let me know if I should do a part 2 to this because I would love to do that. That sounds amazing. And voila, here are the results.